One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a beautiful one owner 1992 Mercury Cougar, and it's only got 61,000 original miles on it. Before I go much farther, I want to show you a couple things on the car, like the wheel wells, just super clean. The guy cared about the car, he put Coopers on it. Look at the wheel wells. Wheel wells are just so clean. It's had the front end rebuilt there. It's got a new boot on it. Control arm thing. Look along the doors, just how clean they are. Just so clean on the inside of this car. No wear. Look at that, man. The dash, beautiful. 61,000 miles. Center console, a little bit of wear on the seat there, but no rips and tears. Just clean. Look at this. Super, super clean. I think somebody lit a cigarette thing at the auction, because this thing shows no sign of that. Look at the dash! Door panels. Lights work. This thing is beautiful. Wow. That stays up. There we go. Just ain't never been used. Wow. Pretty sweet car. I mean, look at the door handle and the surround and all this. It's just beautiful. The wheels are about perfect. This thing is as nice as it gets. I'm gonna do a once around here, show you everything on it. There's, I hate to say there's only one ding, but there's only one ding that stands out to me and I've really noticed. I'll go around and do a full inspection with you, show you everything on it. This thing's about as clean as it gets. It runs great, drives great. It is great. It's a great car. I'm not liking the slant in my driveway with this particular car, but that's what it is. My name's Nathan. It's 406-546-8748. You can reach me basically anytime. Check out my website, oneownercarguy.com. Probably be about 60, 70 pictures of it on there. And I'm gonna go up close and show you any damages. We'll go on a test drive, show you the interior, under the hood, underneath the car, all that good stuff. Okay, the books on this thing are quite amazing. Right from the original cover that they give you at the dealer, got the electronic system, warranty booklet, owner's manual. You've got the brochure, which is kind of cool. Oh, Grizzly Auto Center, huh? Thank you for buying your Cougar from our dealership. Wow. Top of the line accessories. It's things that we can get you to buy. Whoa, look at there. But that's just part of it. Look at that. There's the exact car, man. I can't even see that. There you go. Whatever. It's definitely kind of neat. Oh yeah, the bra. He must have bought it. He got some of the accessories. He didn't get the trunk mounts. Wow, kind of cool to see the accessories. Oh, engine block heater. We'll look under the hood. This could actually have it. Speed control, we already got that. Oh, it's a different car now. Well, that's the whole deal there. So I gotta straighten this back out to where I can take pictures of it. But there's the keyless entry code, and it works. He even saved the recall, and it was a faulty ignition switch. And there's his car, his 92. It was recalled. Kinda neat. Kinda neat. Here is underneath the back of the car. And I'm here to tell you, I don't think this guy drove this thing around the winter even. Going down the side, I actually got a lot of sun now all of a sudden, so that's kind of cool. This color is just amazing. It looks great. And the paint's been really well maintained. I'm going to show you under the hood here. I mean, under the front end. Super clean. Okay, it's got a bra on it. However, underneath the bra is just as nice. And in fact, the bra was in the trunk. We put it on it. So your choice. It's not all weathered and stuff under it. I mean, we're different. In other words, this ain't shiny and this ain't. It's all the same color. Looks great. I might put something in here on that. There's this stuff's starting to come off like it does on a car of this age. I'm amazed at how clean the bumpers are and everything. That's a little nick there. That's the worst of it. Chrome's in great shape. Lenses look good. Might be some. See, now we didn't even polish this car. I think the guy Might have touched that up with a pin or something. There's a couple chips, but nothing significant. There is a couple scratches. I'm trying to do this and not be in the light. Right here. Probably stuff sitting on it in the garage. So this side is not as flaky. And I'm here to tell you, there's just, I can't see a ding. Not a ding in this side. Water droplet. There's this. Paint's starting to wear there. I'm having to get pretty picky to find anything. Oh, the wheel well. And look at the wheels. The wheels are in great shape. Let me see here. This is starting to fade. I could sand that down and paint it, but it's not that bad yet. It's starting to get just what this kind of material does, like a rubberized. Look at that, all the chrome badges and everything, they're in great shape. It's got all 4 of the factory mud flaps, and these tires, you get lost in this tread. All kinds of tread, little titties on the side still, and these old guys that have cars like this, they don't skimp. They're Coopers. It's a good tire. And all faded on top. And I don't see any signs of paint work anywhere on this car. A chip? Look at chip. Clean, all the rubber seals here and everything. It's just a super clean car. Across the back bumpers. Now this is starting to get stressed, the chrome on there. But it's in better shape than most any I've seen. Grizz Motors or whatever, an old dealer tag was on here, so there's a little bit of emblem residue. I didn't want to get into it actually and try and scrub it off because I kind of like these on there. A little, see, there's that laminate from over the top of this that's coming off in a couple areas. I'm telling you what, the one ding I know where it is. I want to say it's the only ding in the dang car, but then I don't know. I'm just gonna say I might be missing one because I just can't see. Oh, I did miss one. There's a ding right there. Hard to see, but it's there. And this one right here, just 2 tiny little dings. Right there's a little, oh, it's just something on the paint. This stuff is delaminated here, like it was on the back. This one's in perfect shape. And that's about the outside of the car. This one's doing the same thing on this side. And there's just something on it there. That's that. That is your exterior review. See the mud flaps here too. And it's so cool. You don't find stuff like that. Usually they've been all broken off and what have you. And those wheels, they ain't seen no winter. A couple scratches right here. And some chippy chips right here from probably getting in and out of the back seat or something. Okay, that is the outside. I'll wait for the sun to set a little bit. Beautiful day in the valley. Fire's out, and that's that. I will get you video of the inside here when it got a little shadowy, and we'll go for a test drive. I'll be back. OneOwnerCarGuide.com. Here we are, different time of day, whole different kind of light, and I'll give you kind of a once around like this, and then we'll go do the interior here because it's a good time for that. Won't be casting shadows everywhere. It is a great looking car from whatever angle you want it to be in. Now, we were detailing it and I forgot we took the shoulder straps off. It's got all the functional shoulder straps for the seat belt that are Automatico. Automatico. It's an LS. And that's your other once around. Let's get inside this thing and check it out. It's got the computer entry or keypad entry. These door panels as such are just in amazing shape. Actually, all the power options. I'll show you the seats working here. I'm gonna get rid of this. Dang it, jeez. Okay, so let's go. Up in the front, down. Up in the back, down. Forward, backward, and this is the tilt. That obviously works. Back seat doesn't look like it's ever been set in. It's in great shape. A little sand we got in here while we was detailing it. No rips and tears. This here at that seam, well, I guess it's starting to tear. We're just gonna put a little, that flux paste on there and just kind of color it back. That's an easy little fix. I wouldn't want to tear any farther. Ain't no wear on the pedals, man. It's 61,000 miles. There's no wear on the pads. Still got the original little retainers. Don't remember if I showed you that. I know I took a picture. Cruise control and all that. Really cool looking steering wheel. This all works. Headliner's in great shape. Console looks nice. Let me get the keys and we'll go look in the back. Oh, dash is not all cracked up. It's all it's cracked up to be, but it's not all cracked up. You know, there's a couple small scratches, very hard to see on the trunk there. And I'll tell you everything about this car, the way the doors close. Watch this. I mean, it just pops itself up even though there's no springs. Super clean. And when I say super clean, I mean super clean. Look at this. Still got the cover for the little donut. And this ain't never been on the road. Look at this. Little titties and stuff all over it. There's still Velcro on that. Wow, cool. Okay, well, this is just a tiny bit loose there. It's all in such great shape. Perfect. Even the trunk light works. I mean, when I say clean, I mean clean. Clean, clean, clean. King of clean. Other than that, that's cool when they whine you out. So I'm going to go ahead and unhook that now to where we can do our review. It's just beautiful dash. Seats are in great condition. This one is not doing that. Okay, it looks like a burn hole here. That doesn't. That looks like something else. I don't know if it is burn hole. It doesn't smell like smoke. So maybe somebody did something. Look at the foul wood. All this. Opera lights or whatever. Shoulder straps in the back. Now, like most of these just flip forward. These usually don't really keep it from doing that. Let me see, where is that? I don't even remember how to open this. Oh, there we go. So you got some cassette tapes. There you go. At your place. Look at the light in there. I'd make that be for something else. This thing ain't been smoked in. And as far as I can tell. And I can tell. Okay, underneath the hood is just absolutely impressive. This thing's been maintained, taken care of. You can just tell. This thing ain't been out in the winter, trudging through the snow or nothing. This is about as clean as it gets, man. Look at this. Even your, is that, it might be. Feels like cardboard, man. Still got the sticker there on the motor. I mean, light works. The under the hood, the insulation, it's in great shape. Back there, it wore a little, probably from opening and closing. And that's your under the hood. Oh, it was serviced. The transmission was serviced at 53,475. Cooling system at 53,475. So that's that. And holds up. The struts are good. I'm going to take this off. And this is how simple it is. In fact, I might put it back on. I might just kind of lazy out on it because it's my woman's birthday. And we're going to go have dinner. Okay, I got this off. There's that. So you can tell there's nothing. And like, same color, looks good. The car, as shiny as it is, a guy could polish it, but I don't know, man. We just didn't cut into it. We just left it as is. It's just a beautiful car. It's been taken care of. It's been maintained. And that's pretty much your review. I'm going to go ahead and go for a test drive with you now. This guy loved this car. You could just tell. The little part right there is the only part that's starting to laminate. The front is just near perfect. Glass. This thing wasn't, there's a little scuff there I didn't notice, but this kind of things are usually all chipped up, broken up, busted up. Wheels have been curbed. Not on this. In fact, I want to go around and look at each wheel with y'all, make sure that they ain't curbed, because it stands out so much. All the emblems, bright and shiny, all this stuff. Everything's here, the original little screws. You don't find the original screws on cars like this. I mean, and it's just so clean. And having all 4 of these, I'm not kidding. Let's continue with this wheel thing. Yeah, this guy didn't curb anything. I feel like he's the kind of guy that if he'd have curbed these wheels, he probably bought a dang new one. Because he got Cooper Cobras, or Cooper, I always say Cooper Cobras because that's what I put on my Trans Ams. Cooper CS4 Tourings. It's a nice road tire, man. But what do you expect? It's one owner. The guy had the car for what? 33 frickin' years, man. Wow. I don't know how I didn't notice that, but I want to show you. All right, it's pretty sunny right now. Look at the carpet on the doors and such, and just the shape of the door panels. It's just amazing. 61,595 miles. And they all work good. Mirror out, mirror up, mirror down, and out. Out, in. I mean, it all works, man. Let me take you for a test drive. All right, here we go. Beautiful day in the valley. Don't like to point you towards that sun, but just what we got going on. Tachometer and everything. The car just strolls along, straight, sound, true. It's a really nice driving car. Cruise control, pretty much got everything you could want. If you're going down the road about 65, like so, and it downshifts nice, kicks up, kicks down. It's a nice driving, nice shifting little car. And someone took care of this thing, man. I mean, 61,000 miles, and I mean, it's just beautiful on the outside. The dash, everything on this, it's just beautiful. I hope you can see that part. Okay, I'm gonna give you another startup because it just starts so smoothly. It's a very good driving car. No complaints so far, and we drove it around a bit, and it's clean as it gets. We drove it around a bit, and it's clean as it gets. I'm a poet and don't know it. No, I'm just kidding, I know it. Okay, out of Victor, Montana. Sure would like to stop and play some poker, but get back down to the place, give you an outro. If you're interested in this, Nathan, we just got a Dollar General, man. Pretty high time now. Nathan, 406-546-8748. Not gonna find a cleaner one. This thing is the cat's meow, the bee's knees. Real good power band right here at 55 or 60. Thing, it just goes. Downshifts, upshifts. This girl does what she's supposed to. It's a great little car. Even when you're clipping down the road at 70, and someone's in front of you, and you put your foot in this, she downshifts, man. Just a great running little car. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna cut this thing off. I want to show you how clean this dash is and everything. Super, super clean. Everything on this car, look at this. Just so clean. In fact, even the antenna works. Rare on these. Okay, well that's that. Look at the wheel. Just no wear or anything. There's a couple little marks right here. Just such a clean car. No wear on the pedals. No wear on the pedals, man. It's clean. All right, well that's it. Great car. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Check it out for more pictures. 406-546-8748. Make sure and like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. More cars coming up. Talk to you later.